Good morning and welcome to ALPS Global News. I'm Judith, bringing you today's headline roundup across Malaysia, the region and around the globe. In Malaysia, Prime Minister Anwar Ibrahim embarks on a high-level diplomatic visit to Russia. Internationally, markets rally after a US-China tariff truce, and in Asia, the Singapore dollar may lose its lead as headwinds grow. For a deeper dive into today's top stories, here's Fernando with the details.
Thank you, Judith. Prime Minister Datuk Seri Anwar Ibrahim begins a 4-day official visit to Russia from May 13 to 16, starting in Moscow before heading to Kazan. According to Wisma Putra, the visit reflects Malaysia's commitment to strengthening ties with Russia and enhancing collaboration under regional and multilateral frameworks such as ASEAN and BRICS. Anwar will meet President Vladimir Putin and Prime Minister Mikhail Mishustin, discussing cooperation in trade, agriculture, aerospace, and energy. He will also address the Moscow State Institute of International Relations and participate in the 15th International Economic Forum in Kazan, where he's set to deliver a keynote address. In international news, the S&P 500 surged to a 2-month high after the US and China agreed to significantly reduce tariffs for 90 days. This truce eased global trade tensions, boosting major indexes and pushing tech giants like Nvidia, Tesla, and Apple higher. Crude oil prices rose nearly 4% following the announcement. Market confidence is rising as investors recalibrate to a more optimistic economic outlook. Meanwhile, traders are adjusting their expectations for US interest rate cuts later this year. In Asia, the Singapore dollar, currently Southeast Asia's best-performing currency, may be peaking. With slowing inflation and reduced GDP forecasts, the Monetary Authority of Singapore could ease policy, putting downward pressure on the currency. Analysts say the SNIR may drift toward the policy midpoint, especially if upcoming trade data confirms weakening fundamentals. That's all from me. Back to you, Judith.
Thanks, Fernando. A pivotal day for diplomacy, trade, and currencies. We'll be tracking these developments closely. Stay tuned for more updates, follow AGN on social media, and subscribe at agn.alps-holdings.com to get the latest news directly to your inbox. See you in the next segment.